Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you friends? I hope you all fine and good. Today I am back with very beautiful and very stylish collection of printed leather handbags design ideas. Guys, in this video you will see different designs of printed leather handbags in different colors, and I hope you love all the designs because these are very beautiful, very stylish and very trendy collection. So guys, those girls and women who love to wear printed leather handbags, so guys, this is a fabulous collection for you, because in this video I have uploaded outstanding designs of printed leather handbags, and with the hope that this video is very helpful and very useful for you. So guys, what you have to do, just watch this video till the end and you will get many beautiful and amazing ideas of handbags, and I also hope that this video and this collection of handbags is very helpful and very useful for you. So guys, don't skip this video. If you skip this video, then you miss many beautiful and amazing ideas. And just watch this video till the end and you will get many latest designs of printed leather handbags. Guys, you will get many hints and many ideas from my videos, so don't miss any video and watch my videos till the end for getting beautiful and amazing ideas. That is only and only for you. So in this video you will get outstanding designs of printed leather handbags, and I hope you love all the designs, and I also hope that this video and this collection of printed leather handbags is very helpful and very useful for you. Guys, these are very beautiful and stylish collection, and I hope you love it. So just watch this video, select the design and take a screenshot and then buy it from market and from any online shop. Guys, all designs of printed leather handbags are very beautiful, very stylish, and I hope you love all the designs because these are very beautiful, stylish. Their print is so beautiful, so stylish, and I hope you love it. So guys, if you are loving all the designs of printed leather handbags, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel, and also click bell icon. After clicking the bell icon you will get my new videos notification and you never miss any video or any collection on my channel. Guys, my main purpose is just to update you by latest fashion trends. So if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, so my channel is all about latest fashion trend. So just tell me in comment section how was the video, how was the design which you want to see on my channel, so that I can bring my next videos according to your choice and demand also, because as I always saying that your choice is very important for me, and I always trying to bring a useful collection for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. I need your help. Please guys, support me for sharing my videos with your friends and relatives. And guys, you can also tell me in comment section how you like my videos, and you can also suggest me in comment section what kind of videos would you like to see on my channel, so that I can bring my next videos according to your choice. So see you soon in next videos with amazing collection and new ideas, inshallah. So guys, take care of you and your family a lot. Remember me in your precious prayers, and please guys, support me for sharing my videos with your friends and relatives. And one thing more, be positive always. Allah Hafiz.